So let's look at 2021 paper what? So 2021 paper 2, external equation on construction and geometry. Okay? So Roman numeral 1, it says use geometrical instruments to construct triangle ABC. Okay? In which supposed to be in which AB is equal to what? 8 centimeters. How to get that? AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Then BC is equal to 7 centimeters and what? AC is equal to what? 6 centimeters. So they want us to come up with a triangle. This triangle is triangle ABC. So they want us to come up with a triangle ABC. Are we together? In which AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay? Then BC is equal to what? 7 centimeters. And the AC 6 what? Centimeters. Are we together? So let us come up with this triangle. So they want us to come up with this triangle. What is it? Triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to 8, BC is equal to what? 7, and AC is equal to what? 6. So now, since I'm showing you how to draw, for the sake of those who are at the far end, I won't come up with a measurement time. Because if I had to measure 8 centimeters, it's going to be very small. So I'll just be making assumptions. So let's say my 8 is from this point. So let me come up with my what? My AB. So, okay. Let's say this is my AB. Okay. Let's say this is my what? This is my AB. Okay. This is my A, B. This is my A. This is my what? B. And we are saying AB is what? 8 what? 8 centimeters. Are we together? So this is my AB. I'm just making assumptions, right? Okay? Then we're going to come up with BC. From B to C. Now we don't know where C is. So we have been told to say BC is 7 centimeters. So now, since we don't have C, we are going to come up with 7 centimeters by using a compass, right? So let me use my compass. This is my compass. Now, since we are saying AB is 8, right? And BC is what? 7. So let me just assume this is my 7. Let's say this is where my 7 is, right? Are we together? Let's say this is my 7. But as for you, you're supposed to be measuring 9. So you go on your rule, then you open your compass to a dimension of what? 7 centimeters using your rule, right? But in my case, I want those people what they find to see, right? And I don't have a rule which can help me to come up with the 7. So in this case, let's say this is my 7, 9. Now this is BC. So I need to put this point where B is, right? Okay? This is my 7, then strike an arc like this. Strike what? An arc. This is my what? 7. Now together, guys. Okay? So this is my 7. Okay? So this is BC. Then AC, they are saying 6 centimeters, right? So let me assume my 6. This is my 7. Let's say my 6 is somewhere here. Are we together? Yes. Let's say this is where my 6 is. So I need to put this pointer at A. I have A, but I don't have C. So I need to put at point what? Point A. So I put my pointer at point A. Then I'm going to strike an arc like this. Are we together? I'm going to strike my arc like this. So where these two arcs are meeting, are intersecting, this is where C is. This is my point what? Point C. Are we together? So now I'm going to use my ruler to join these points. Okay? So let me use my ruler to join these points. And this is AC. So this is A what? AC. Ignore this is what? A. AC. Are we together, guys? Are we moving together? Then we can join B to what? B to C. B to C, we have something like this. This is my BC. This is my A what? Okay, this is my A what? This is my AC. So I've come up with a what? Triangle. Which triangle what? A, B, C. Okay, as per question 9. The first question is saying, use geometrical instruments to construct triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to 8. This is 8 centimeters. Then BC is 7. So this is what? 7 centimeters. And what? AC is what? So this is what? 6 what? Centimeters. Are we together? Okay, so we are done with question 1. Question 1. Are we moving together?
Yes.
Let us look at now question Roman numeral 2, which is saying measure and write the size of angle ABC. So they want us to measure and write the size of angle ABC. Now when they say angle ABC, angle ABC, okay? So we're talking about angle BI, the letter which is in the middle is what? B, okay? So this is where the angle is, okay? At point what? Point. This is where the angle is. So we're going to measure angle B. Are we together? So measuring now. Measuring an angle, we use a protractor. Are we together? Measuring an angle, we use a what? A protractor. Okay? So this is my protractor. This is what we call a protractor. Are we moving together? So this protractor has got a center. So the center of my protractor, this is what the center is. Okay, this is the center of my protractor. It's the center. So I need to put this center of my protractor at point B. Okay? Since the angle we want to measure is on letter what? Letter B. Are we together? So we are going to put this center on point what? Point B. And then this line should be straight with this line. Okay? So this is where it is. Are we moving together? So you realize, guys, now the angle I'm measuring, you realize this is what? This is 0. Are we together? This is 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay? Then you have what? This is 0, 5, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25. Are we together? 30 degrees, 35, 40 degrees, 45, and what? 50. Are we together? So this angle is what? 50 degrees. Are we together? So you now write. You're supposed to write. You say Roman numeral 2, angle A, B, C is equal to what? 50 what? Degrees. Are we moving together?
Yes.
Is it okay with you? Is it fine? So we are done with question 1. Question Roman numeral 2. We can now look at Roman numeral 3, which is saying construct the bisector of AB and BC. They want us to construct a bisector of AB and what? BC. Bisector of AB and what? BC. That's what they want us to construct. So what they say, bisector of AB. AB and what, guys? And BC. Okay, what they mean is they want you to come up with a line which cuts AB into 2 equal parts. Okay? You cut AB into 2 equal parts. We come up with a line which is going to cut AB into 2 equal parts. So this is AB. So they want us to come up with a line which is going to cut AB into 2 equal parts. Right? Then when we bisect BC, bisecting BC simply means they want us to come up with a line which is going to cut what? BC into 2 equal parts. Are we together, guys? Now let me show you to bisect. So use the compass in this case. First use the compass. So this is my compass line. I want first to bisect AB. Okay? So bisecting AB, you're supposed to open your compass more than half of the dimension of AB. More than half of AB. Now AB is 8. And half of 8 is what? 4. So you open more than 4. So more than 4 is 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay? Going upwards. So we're going to open more than half of AB. So this is somewhere, this is half, fine. But more than half. Okay, you open more than what? More than half. So after opening more than half, so this is more than half of what? AB. Are we together, guys? Then what you do is you strike an arc this side. Okay, putting this pointer at A. Putting this pointer at A, you strike an arc this side. Okay, you strike an arc this side. I hope you're able to see. So this is my arc, take note. Okay, this is my arc. I hope you're able to see it. You're able to see it, huh? My compass is not very well. So you strike an arc here. Okay, you also strike an arc downwards like this. Are we together, guys? Okay. You do the same. Now you put your pointer at B. Okay, without changing the compass, the dimension of this compass. Okay? Okay, you put now the pointer at what? At B. Strike an arc so that the two arcs can intersect. Are we together, guys? Are you able to see? Yes. Okay? You also do the same downward side. You also strike what? An arc. My compass is not very well, guys. Okay, I hope you're able to see. So my arcs are passing through this point. Okay, this is my first arc. Okay, then we have this other arc. Are you able to see them? Yes. Okay, then we have this arc. We also have this other one, this other arc. Is it okay? Now where these two arcs are intersecting, you come up with a point. So these two arcs are intersecting here, then these are intersecting here. So you come up with a line now to join the intersection of the arcs. Okay? So you come up with a line. Come up with a line nicely, which passes through the intersection of the arcs. Okay? So we have this line, take note. Are we together? So we've bisected AB. Are we together? So next we're supposed to bisect what? A BC. Okay? Let's bisect BC. Okay? Using the same concept. Okay? So BC is 7 centimeters high. So we are supposed to open more than half. More than half. Half of 7 is what? 3.5. So you open more than 3.5. That's the mean, right? So okay, more than half. Okay. So okay. Let me just adjust. Are we together? This is more than half. Fine. So I'm going to strike an arc this side. Are we together, guys? Putting my point at behind. I strike an arc this side. I also strike an arc this other side. Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see? Yes. Okay? Then I'm going to put my point at what? At C now. Okay? Without changing the dimension. So putting my point at C, I'm going to strike an arc. Like this. Are we together, guys? Then I'm also going to strike an arc this other side. My compass is not very good, guys. Sorry for that. Okay? You see now? So my arcs are meeting. Where are they meeting? We have this arc. Then we have this other arc. Are we together? Yes. Then we have this arc. We also have this other arc. Are we together? Yes. So these are where are they meeting? They're meeting here. This is where the intersection is. Even this other point. Are we together? So next we're supposed to come up with a line. It's going to pass through. Okay, it's going to pass through this point line. Where these two arcs are what? Are intersecting or meeting. Okay. So I'm going to come up with a line. Okay, nicely. Which passes through the intersection of these. Okay, this is my line. Are we moving together? Yes. So we've done the what? The bisection. Now it's saying construct the bisector of what? AB and what? BC. So we bisected AB and what? BC. And let them meet at O. Meaning let the what? The line bisectors, these lines, okay? These line bisectors meet at what? Meet at O. So where these two are meeting? So where these two are meeting? Where this line, are we together? And this line are meeting. They are meeting here. So let this one be what? Be O, center O. Let that one be what? Be O. Are we together? So this is our O. Okay? Then the last person is saying with center O. They want you to use this center, which is what? O. With center O and radius OA. Okay? Draw a circle which touches A, B, and C. So they want you to come up with a circle now, which touches A, B and what? C. Are we together? Okay, so in this case, for us to answer this question, we're supposed to use a compass. Are we together?
Yes.
Compass. We're going to employ the compass this time. So now, they are saying use center what? Center O. So I'm going to put my point at what? This point at center what? O. Center O. Where is O? This is my point. Then they are saying the radius OA. So this is OA. O what? OA. Just pardon my compass is not very clear. It's not very good. Okay, you want to come up with a what? Compass. So the circle. So my compass is not very fine, guys. But I'm trying a little this time. So let's come up with a what? This circle that is this point sign. So this is my circle. So my compass is not very fine. Need to be very careful. Okay. I hope you're able to see the circle, guys.
Yes.
You're able to see the circle. Even if my compass is not okay, but you're able to see time. So this is the way the circle is supposed to be. Okay? And this circle should touch the 3 what? The 3 what? The 3 point, which is what? Okay. Are you able to see it, guys?
Yes.
Just unfortunately, I'm unable to outline. Because my camera, let me try to outline. Let me try to outline it. Let me try to outline it. Let me try to outline the circle. Let me try to outline the circle. Just it has been outlined there. Able to see it, huh? You're able to see it, guys?
Yes.
Okay? So this is the way you're supposed to answer this particular question.